Hi guys, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I cannot wait to share with you the thing that is bringing bars everywhere a little bit of extra vintage class. It's this gas pump liquor dispenser. You can put anything in it, but here, obviously, our favorite went in, but it is bringing what we thought we already had all here. I think it's a perfect addition. We saw this and we knew that this needed to be a gift for our friend. This makes that perfect, slightly novelty item, but still classy. This has an amazing clear plastic, so it's very lightweight. You can move it around, but it's basically indestructible. I love that the actual beverage is dispensed out of the pump. So cute. Who doesn't love that amazing like vintage gas pump vibe? And pairing it with as a beverage dispenser, I think it's a win in my books. Now this here, there is not a drop that comes out of that pump dispenser, so that's awesome. You're not gonna spill, not even a drop, so that's so cool. I love the fact that on the side you have the measurements so that you know exactly how much is being dispensed, but also how much is left over, ready for the next use. We love it. I think our friend is gonna totally love it. Perfect gift choice, and that's my point of view.